Snowing in Carrboro. Yay!
Why are we going this way?
The snowstorm is beginning. Something funny happens in Carrboro when it starts to snow. Everybody disappears. They'll go home. Their milk and bread and whatever. Eggs, I guess. Not me. I'm walking the streets. I love Carrboro in the snow. Pretty soon it'll be so quiet on the street. There won't be any traffic. It'll just be blanketed. I have a photo from a few years ago of a snowstorm. The whole downtown had a yellow tent, and I think we were the only ones who stayed behind to watch the snow fall from the Spotted Dog. It was beautiful. So there are still a few brave souls out here, probably going to the grocery store or whatever to get whatever it is they need. This will be different tomorrow. People around here have a tendency not to go out at all when it snows. This is Main Street in Carrboro. Starting to really come down now. Big flakes. I like that.